Here's another one of my mom's secret recipes revealed. We're making spinach kootu. Oh my gosh, it tastes exactly like my mom's. It's so good. So we're making spinach kootu today, one of my favorite dishes that my mom made for me growing up. And kootu is a South Indian dish of vegetables cooked together with lentils, a little bit of coconut and spices. It's so easy to prepare and it's really, really good for you. Today we're making it with spinach. It's gonna make you feel like Popeye. And we're gonna get started by cooking our lentils. So for this kootu, I'm going to be using moong daal. I love this lentil because it cooks really quickly. And the first thing that I'm going to do is top my moong daal off with a little bit of water and rinse it several times until the water runs clear. Then we're going to drain the water completely. Now I'm going to add my rinsed dal to a pot, top it off with a little water, and we're going to bring this to a simmer, cooking it until the dal is tender but still has a little bit of texture. So you can add just about any vegetable to kootu and it's going to be delicious, but I love spinach because it's fast cooking. It only takes about 30 seconds, and all I'm gonna do is take the spinach here and finally chop it. Then I'm gonna add it to the moong daal. We're gonna give it a nice stir and it'll only take a few seconds to wilt. One of the signature flavors in kootu is coconut. It adds a lush creaminess and an undeniable nuttiness that pairs so well with the lentils and spinach. Now you have a couple of options when it comes to the coconut. You can get a fresh whole coconut like this, crack it in half, and then grate the flesh. I have a tutorial on YouTube explaining exactly how to do this. Or if you want something simpler, then you can head to the frozen aisle of your Asian grocery store and pick up coconut like this, which is so easy. So I'm going to take a little bit of my grated coconut and add it to a blender, season it with some cumin as well as a couple of Thai chilies, and top it off with just a touch of water. Now we're gonna blend this mixture until it's nice and smooth. Now we're gonna take this fragrant spiced coconut mixture and add it to the dal and spinach. Now we're getting to the best part of the recipe, for me personally at least, and that's the hot seasoned oil. Now there are so many different names for this in different languages. In Tamil, it's known as thalipu, in Hindi, tadka or chonk, and I'm just going to heat some oil until it's nice and hot, and then add some urad dal first. We're gonna toast it off until it's slightly golden, and then add in some black mustard seeds. We want those mustard seeds to crackle and pop, and for that urad dal to take on a nice deep golden color. Then we're gonna pour it all over the spinach kootu and then mix it to combine. And just like that, our easy spinach kootu is ready. I've got a big hot bowl of kootu. Just the aromas itself bring me back to my childhood. Let's get a nice big spoon and give it a taste. Oh my gosh, it tastes exactly like my mom's. It's so good. Kootu is one of those dishes that hits every sensation. There are so many varying textures and flavors, and the first thing that you get when you bite in is the creamy coconut coming through that's complemented by the lentils. The lentils are cooked perfectly. They're soft, but they still have a bit of bite. And then with that velvety spinach folded in, that little bit of cumin, the heat of the chili coming through, and of course, those spices that we tempered at the end, they add a bit of crunch. I love this dish so much. It's pure comfort in a bowl. You can serve kootu over rice or with chapatis on the side, or do what I do and just eat a big bowl of it on its own. Healthy, nutritious, and so easy to make. This is my mom's spinach kootu.